Shows you the pressure. We need to put some more air on this car, on this tire. So let's go ahead and put some more air. Today, we're going to take a look at the actual TMPS. It's a tool. It's made by VXDAS. We're going to take a look at it and see how well it works. So if you guys could take a look at it, I like the little design. It's like a little tire in there, but this is a great object to have in your actual car. It's if you guys can see it, it handles like a grip. It has a good grip to handle it. Now, the great thing about it is this is if you want to read your tire pressure. Now, a lot of these models have an actual reader. That this is a signal reader right here that will read off your tires without even inputting the actual first module in here, if you guys can see that. Now, to turn it on is simple. There is a 9-volt battery that you have to require in the back. There's a power button here that you crank it up. If you guys can see it. Now, you could have different options to actually run this manual, and they also give you the manual if you don't understand how to use this. If you're not familiar with it, they give you the manual itself, all right? So let's get a look at the manual itself. Very simple, how to use it, how to read the actual reader. It tells you right here, simple. You could read it manually by putting this into your car's wheel, or you could read it with an actual signal reader. That a lot of these cars manufacturers have that reader meter that you could read out of it, and it reads the signal, and it will put exactly how much pressure you have and other objects that you have. If you don't have that in your car, it might be an older model. That's the only thing. There's a couple of things you need to know about, and if you want more information, you could go to their website and get all that information. The case itself is very rugged. It's good to have in your glove compartment. So if you're running a leak or you have a nail or something and you want to find out and your car's not telling you, because I currently have a new car that doesn't tell you which tire is flat. It just comes up in the signal that there's a flat on the tire or it needs pressure. It doesn't tell you, so you manually have to go into your car and you use this device to either read the signal. You could automatically or physically. That's two options you have. All right. In order to make sure you could get rid of some of the signals, you got to make sure that you find the tire that needs the pressure. And this is a great object. Like I said, 9-volt battery that you have in here in the back. And we're going to go ahead and test it out and see how well it works, if it could read the actual pressure properly out of one of the tires. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Here it goes. We are at 22, so we need to add some more pressure to it. Shows you the pressure. We need to put some more air on this car, on this tire. So let's go ahead and put some more air. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.